Hello again, everyone. Did you finish project number 1? If so, we're going to go back to projects, to the home page for Tinkercad projects. I'm going to give this a moment to load. Okay, already completed number 1, Introduction to Primitive Shapes. So we're going to move on to the next project, which is Let's Learn Tinkercad. Welcome to the world of design. Now you're going to see that this is much more involved. There are 5 lessons in here. So take your time, read over, and have fun with it. Okay, because there's a lot to learn with CAD software, and there's a lot that you can create. So I'm not going to read through every single page because I know that you can do that yourself. So give it a moment to load. Okay. And I'm actually going to reset because Buzz was working on this and the progress wasn't quite the way Buzz was hoping. So that's the great thing about Tinkercad, is that you can always reset and go back to the beginning. All right, it's going to show different tools and the tools that you can use in Tinkercad. Your project for this week is to complete the Let's Learn Tinkercad project. And I'm actually going to go back to the beginning to show you that that involves a series, 5 different steps in this project. Okay, I look forward to seeing your work. Good luck. And by all means, you can still tinker around in other areas of Tinkercad and create things. I look forward to seeing that. Good luck, everyone.